What's up, everybody? I'm Brendan. I'm a full stack developer based in Brooklyn, New York. And today I'm going to be walking you through the solution for the Snapfit Robots Incorporated project here, which is part of the Pro Learn Git course on Codecademy. What are we going to be covering? Well, the same stuff that we covered last time. But in this project, I'm actually going to show you a trick when it comes to adding files to the staging area. So let's do it. Snapfit Robots Inc. Now that you've had more practice with the Git workflow, let's solidify your new skills even more. In this project, you'll be working on assembly instructions for Snapfit Robots Inc., a build-it-yourself robot company. Ooh. Step 1, initialize a new Git project. Okay, get in it. Sweet, step 1. Step 2, check the status of the Git project. You will see multiple files listed in the output as untracked. Git status. All right, so we've got 3 files. Git sees them, but it's not keeping track of them because we haven't said, hey, Git add these files so that you can keep track of the changes that we made. And here are all the other files in this file structure. Step 2 is done. Step 3, add each file to the Git staging area. Now this is the trick. Normally you'd go something like this: git add disclaimer.text, and then the next one, git add instructions.text, blah, 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 blah. Well, watch this. Git add period actually adds all of the files in your file structure to the staging area, which is sweet. So step 3 is done. Step 4, check the status of the Git project again. Okay, status. And will you look at that? So we said, hey, Git, you see all of the files in my file structure. Make sure you add them to the staging area because I've made changes and I want you to add these files to this snapshot that I'm creating. Step 4 is done. Step 5, make a commit. Git commit message. A commit always has to have a message. It's just part of the language of Git. Git commit m. Hey, cool trick. Alrighty, so that has officially saved this commit as a snapshot of our working directory. So step 5 is done. Step 6, view your Git commit log. If your cursor is stuck in Git log mode, press Q on your keyboard to escape. Git log. Right, there's just one there, right? We've only committed once, so we're only going to see this one block here, but this message, hey, cool trick. Step 6 is done. Step 7, include this line in disclaimer.text. Okay. Save. 7 is done. Step 8, add the file to the staging area. Git add, and I just want to add the file that I changed to the staging area. Text. Add disclaimer.text. Right. And see a status here. All right, so it knows that we only modified disclaimer.text. It sees that we modified disclaimer.text based on what we had added to the staging area last time and what we had committed last time. Okay. Git commit, add warning. 9 is done. Step 10, view your Git commit log again to identify your commit. Log. This is the last commit that we just made. Step 10 is done. Step 11, revise each file in whatever ways you'd like, then add your changes to the staging area and make another commit. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything to disclaimer.text. I am going to change something here. Whoa. What's your language? Period or exclamation point. Warranty. Blah, blah. Save. Now let's add those changes to the staging area. Let's see what happens when I do git add period. Git status. All right, so I added all of the files to the staging area, but it knows that I only changed this warranty file and this instruction file. Even though I add all files to the staging area, it sees that disclaimer.txt hasn't changed. So there's nothing to commit from that file. So that's why we don't see it here. We only see the modified instructions and modified warranty. So let's commit it. Revise files. Sweet. And let's see that. Okay, so yeah, that was our third commit. And that is done. Step 11. Alrighty, folks, so I taught you that cool little trick, git add all, git add dot, and that adds every file that you've modified to the staging area. It's an awesome little git trick and will definitely come in handy when you are making a lot of changes to a lot of files in your working repo. So that's it. I will see you in the next walkthrough, and happy coding. Bye.